જય જિનેન્દ્ર, જીતુ છેડા બ્લોગ ચેનલ પર આપ સૌનું સ્વાગત છે। જો મારી ચેનલને અત્યાર સુધી સબસ્ક્રાઈબ ન કરી હોય તો કરી લેશો।
Good morning, I'm Ashi Chera from class 6C and this is my SST project. My topic is nomadic life and its progress. So in the first stage, the man used to wander here and there, and they used to pluck the fruits from the trees and they hunt the animals and eat them raw to protect themselves from the weathers. They used to live in a den. Second stage, the man got fire and wheel, which was a great invention and became a big revolution at that time. The fire is very useful for them, so then they started to use it in their daily life. Like they stopped it raw and then they ate it. Then to protect cold weathers and animals, they use this fire, and even in the dark, as a light, they use this fire. In the third stage, the man became a little bit more progressive. They started to live a settled life, and they lived near a river bank and started doing agriculture. Agriculture plants like jute, cotton, wheat, grains, etc. And also made a herd and also made a cart to transport some types of things. Also made a hut to live in. Then this is the fourth stage. In the fourth stage, men became more sophisticated and more industrious. They started to weave the clothes and wear them, and they also did the pottery and started making the earthen pots to store grains in them. For their adornment, they made some ornaments. For the protection, some kinds of furnished and sharp weapons, and at last to teach their students, started drawing some animals on the stones. So this was the SST project. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Himanshi Shah, class 7C. Today I will explain you an animal cell. This is a cell membrane and this is the cytoplasm, this is nucleus. Cell membranes, some things contains allow the materials that oxygen, water, etc. Some pure things, and removes toxic substances like carbon dioxide, substances and other things. In cytoplasm, it is a jelly-like substance and it is a nucleus, contains a DNA. We also call the king of the cell. Thank you.
This is a different type of teeth system project. There are 4 types of adult teeth: incisor, canine, molar, premolar. Each tooth plays an important role. There are 8 incisor teeth. They help us to bite our food, and this help us teeth to support the lip. There are 4 canine teeth. They can food our guide other teeth into place when the upper and lower jaw come together. There are 8 premolars and 12 molars, being widest and fattest things, which is converted into small pieces. Thank you.
My name is Hasti and this is drip irrigation model. This is drip irrigation, drip pipe. This is agriculture land and there are some plants. This is water tank. From this, this is water goes to directly roots, not go anywhere, and it is used in a big scale farm. Okay, thank you.
Hello, my name is Payal and I am introducing the lungs. What is the work of lungs and how it works? This is the 3D model and this is the working model. How lungs work? When we take oxygen, our lungs swell up, and when we release carbon dioxide, it goes like the first structure as it was. Okay, then it is a pathway from where to where the lungs work. Here is the nostril from where we take the air in oxygen. In biology, we say it oxygen, and from there it goes to the nasal cavity. From there it goes to the pharynx. then larynx. This is a trachea. It is a trachea known as trachea, and from there to the left and right bronchus, and from left and right bronchus to bronchioles. Bronchioles are the subdivisions, and from there to alveolar sacs. It is a balloon-like structure, groups of balloons. It is known as alveolar sacs, and it alone is known as alveoli. From alveoli, the oxygen mixes with the blood, and it passes the blood, oxygenated blood, to the heart. And from the heart, it comes it goes with a pressure to the body, and from body it comes with a deoxygenated blood, which heart passes to the lungs. And the pathway from where we are doing it goes oppositely. From alveolar sacs, then bronchus, then trachea, then larynx, then pharynx, nasal cavity, and then nostril. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. I am Kavya from Class 6C. This is my science project, afforestation and deforestation. In afforestation, I has been shown there are so many trees to save our environment, and it is the opposite to deforestation. We human beings need money to save our environment. So we develop factories. Factories give out smoke. We all know that harmful for our environment. In this project, I message you to grow more and more plants as we know. Thank you.
My name is Hed Patel. I am from class 7B. This is Krishna Goyal. Today I have explained the water purification process. First, the dirty water is going in dirty water. After, the water is going in rocks. Rocks absorb the big dirty. After, the water is going in sand rock. Sand rock absorb the small dirty. After the long process is going in cotton. Cotton absorb small and big dirty. After this we take the pure water. When we boil the water, we also drink it. This is our working model. This is dirty water. The dirty water is going in the glass, pure water.
And when we boil it converts into drinking water.
Thank you, sir.
My name is Stuti Shukla and this is my partner Pratna Joshi. We have made this DNA. DNA is also known, the full form of DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. This is called nucleic because it is present in our nucleus. DNA is made up of three things: ribosugars, phosphate, and 4 nitrogenous bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. It cannot be intermixed, and this is a working model. This is present in the nucleus, and it has genes and chromosomes also. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Shriya Velani from class 6C. Today I am explain about afforestation and deforestation. In afforestation, we have to planting more plants, and we get oxygen from the plant. There are solar energy produced from the sunlight and transfer it to our home. We have to put waste on the two different dustbin, wet and dry dustbin. Afforestation, the factory contains long chimney, produce smoke. We have the people have this gas is harmful for us. There is vehicle pollution. Also, we have also harm and the fire. There are also a lot of waste in the deforestation. So we have to control deforestation in the forest and areas. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Swati Priya. I am from class 7th B. Today I am explain about zoo. In zoo, there are different types of animal live. People came at zoo for see different types of animal. Now we tell about living entity. Living entity means plants depended on herbivores, and carnivores depended on herbivores for their food, and omnivores depended on both herbivores and carnivores. This is when the plants provide oxygen to the animals, and animals provide carbon dioxide to the plants. And farmers use the animals waste. Farmer use the animals waste for in fertilizer, because in fertilizer there are nutrition present. And from plants we get flower, vegetables, fruits, etc. And from animals we get wood, gum and herbal products, etc. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. This is a project of LPG gas leakage detection and auto dialing. ये सेंसर है जो अगर गैस लीक हो रही है आपकी, तो ये सेंसर आपके फोन में एक इंफॉर्मेशन देता है कि आपकी गैस लीक हो रही है, जिससे कोई बड़ा जो एक्सीडेंट और हादसा ना हो. थैंक यू.
Good morning, sir. My name is Anike Patel from class 6C. This is my science model. My topic is separation of substances. First, what is the meaning of separation? Separation is a process of removing the components from a mixer. It's called separation. There are many methods of separating the components of a mixer. I have used 4 methods. First, sedimentation. What is sedimentation? Sedimentation is a method of settling down of heavier components, like the sand is settling down in the water. Second, filtration. What is filtration? The dirty water I am putting in this. This is a filter paper which filter the water, and the clear portion will come down and the sediments will stay on it. Decantation. What is decantation? Decantation is a process of pouring the upper clear portion without disturbing the sediments. Is called decantation. Now, sieving. I have made a construction sieve tool which separates the different size of sand. When we put the sand on this, it will separate the different size of pebbles and stones upside and the sand downside. Thank you.
ये ओब्लिक है और इसको ये पानी और कॉर्नफ्लोर से मिक्स होके बनता है, और इसको हम जोर से मुक्का मारेंगे ना तो ये सॉलिड बन जाएगा, और आराम से लेंगे ना तो ये लिक्विड बन जाएगा. आप देख सकते हैं. और इसके 100 कॉर्नफ्लोर के 100 पार्टिकल्स बन के एक सैंड का पार्टिकल्स बनता है. इसलिए, और ये कॉर्नफ्लोर से पानी से मिक्स नहीं हो पाता, इसलिए ये कॉर्नफ्लोर नीचे रह जाता है और पानी ऊपर रह जाता है.
इस गेम में ऐसा है, अगर आप इसको इस जगह से इस जगह ले जाओगे बिना छुए तो वो आप जीत गए. अगर बीच में टच हो गया तो आप आउट हो गए. इसमें ये जो ऐसे टच हो गया तो इधर ये बजर बच जाएगा.
वोल्केनो बना है. इसमें हमने कुछ केमिकल्स डालेंगे जैसे कि इनो. तो इसमें हमने पहले इनो डाला. इनो के इसको एक बार अच्छी तरह से हम लोग मिक्स करेंगे. बाद में फिर इसमें थोड़ा सा वो विनेगर डालेंगे. तो उसकी मदद से केमिकल सिलेक्शन की वजह से यहाँ पे वोल्केनो इरप्ट होगा.
हेलो सर, ये है ना बर्ड इन द केज है. इसमें है ना एक साइड केज, 2 पोस्टर्स है. एक साइड केज है और एक साइड है ना बर्ड का है. हम लोग है ना जब इसको मोटर से कनेक्ट करेंगे ना तो हमारे परसिस्टेंस ऑफ विजन से हमें ऐसा लगेगा कि ये जो बर्ड है ना वो ये केज के अंदर है. एक्चुअली में वो है नहीं, बट हमें ऐसा लगेगा. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I am Daniel Prajapati of class 10B of Euro School, and I have made a Tesla coil miniature model. This was invented by Nikola Tesla, and it works on the principle of the wireless electricity. And I have made this for the working of the purpose. And we can see that if I had on this, the current will flow wirelessly. It is because of the principle of wireless electricity done by Nikola Tesla.
Hello, sir. Sir, this is the project of acid rain. As we can see there, the pollution that is coming out of the factories, the pollution that is coming out from the cars, it mixes with the atmosphere and forms acidic clouds. And when it forms acidic clouds, it forms acidic rains. The main aim of this project is that we should not use this kind of pollutant things which will pollute our environment. If we want to go near our house, we can go by walking or we can use bicycle. And another message that is written here that trees killed by the acid rain. When acid rain falls, trees are also killed, and it also causes a respiratory disease in humans and animals both.
So I just want to tell all the people who are listening to this, please use this all in a very less amount. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mahi and I am from 9th B. I am explaining you the vending machine. It is made by me. And do you want this chocolate? If you want, you come here and take it this call. Take this. Take this and put it here. And swipe it up. Your coin is accepted. Now you press it. Press it. The chocolate is here. Take it and take it with you.
Hello, good morning sir. My name is Priyani Panchal. I am from class 9. Today I had made one Chandrayaan model. It was the first generated by ISRO, Indian Space Research Service Organization. It made the Chandrayaan 3 and the Chandrayaan 2 was developed by them. It was worked by the water pressure.
Good morning sir, my name is Moksha Joshi and I am from class 6C. This is my project and the topic is that things that help us to climb up. Now, here is an escalator. It is very helpful to climb one place to another. Now, here is ropeway. People, those who can't climb the mountains, that use ropeway. Here is window and a rope. Here is window and a door to came inside and see outside view. Now, there is no path of wheelchairs in escalator, but there is path of escalator. In escalator, there is no path of wheelchair, but in lift there is path of wheelchair. So now we put inside a doll. We put inside this. Now the lift is coming up. You can see this. The lift is coming up. So now he do some shopping of clothes, shoes, and here he sit in escalator. He sit in escalator and go down. Thank you.
Good morning sir, my name is Ram Joshi from class 6C. Today I am explaining you the electric switch. Electric switch is used to when the switch is on, the bulb glows, but when the switch is off, the bulb not glows. It is because of the light. The first part is connected to the switch which produce the electricity, and the second part is connected to the bulb. So that's why when the switch is off, the bulb not glows, but when the switch is on, the bulb glows. Similarly, electric fans, coolers, and other electrical devices are connected with the switch, and when the switch ons, the things on and the electric switch off, anything will not glow. Thank you. Hello sir, my name is Nishchip from class 6th. Today I am presenting my science project. That is a 3 topic. First is the alarm, second is the air pressure, third is the Ferris wheel. First I am going with the alarm. They was ringing. This is a call emergency alarm. When the emergency came, the alarm was ring. And second is air pressure. I can doing the air. See, the air is coming outside because the air come in the outside and the water was ringing because there is no space to they come outside. Thus doing the straw, and straw is coming outside. Second is a Ferris wheel. They are showing my friend outside and they are moving, rotating. They discovered by George and they are rotating in a circular motion. This is a Ferris wheel. Thank you.
My name is S.K. Tarun from class 6th A. Today I am presenting my project of windmill. You can see when I start the windmill, the wind energy converted to electrical energy, can it save it here you can see it. It helps for our agriculture and residential. Thank you, sir.
My name is Dawal and I am studying 6th, and this is my friend. His name is Pratipal, and today I am explaining JCB. JCB एक इंजेक्शन पाइप और उसके आधारित में है, उसमें एयर वाटर उसमें सब यूज होता है। देख सकते हैं आप लोग, इसमें बकेट भी यूज होता है एक्सेट्रा। जैसे मेरा दोस्त ये हैंडल घुमा रहा है, तब ये भी ऐसे ऐसे हो रहा है। लाइफ रेड डाउन अप साइड सब साइड घूम रहे हैं। थैंक यू।
My name is Arpita Sathwara from class 6th. This is my science project and my topic is solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. What is solar eclipse? जब चंद्रमा पृथ्वी और सूर्य के बीच से गुजरता है तो इस स्थिति में सूरज की रोशनी पृथ्वी पर नहीं पहुंच पाती। This hour is called solar eclipse. What is lunar eclipse? जब चंद्रमा पृथ्वी सूर्य एक सीधी रेखा में आ जाते हैं तो इस दौरान सूर्य का प्रकाश पृथ्वी पर पड़ता है पर चंद्रमा पर नहीं पड़ पाता। This hour is called lunar eclipse. Thank you.
My name is Anita M. Chaudhary from class 6th. Today I am explaining on windmill. ये एक windmill है जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस करता है विंड के पावर से, और ये एक दिन में 2.5 से 3 मेगावाट जनरेट करता है। थैंक यू।
Good morning all of you. My name is Anshuman Biswai from class 7C. I am introducing the project of types of energy. This is windmill. The windmill is producing electricity that produce light in our house, and this is generator generating energy. That fuel is connected. This I switch on the generator and you can see the light is blowing, and this is normal house electricity that have all house, and this is solar energy. Thank you.
My name is Ichamalia. I am from class 6th. Today I am explaining you my experiment name is metal detector. We have a plastic stick and motor, switch, battery and a buzzer. When we are touch the plastic stick, sound will not come, and we are touch the metal, so sound will come. Thank you. This is my project.
मेरा नाम है अंशुल शर्मा फ्रॉम 7th क्लास B और मैं यूरो से हूँ, और ये मेरा प्रोजेक्ट है ड्रू मीटर। और जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो ये क्या है, फ़ैन चालू है तो क्या हवा जो है ये फ़ैन के थ्रू अंदर जाता है और अंदर बल्ब जला है तो अंदर जो बल्ब है वो हीट प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, और हीट जो है एयर के साथ यहाँ बाहर आ रहा है यहाँ।
My name is Shreya Chauhan from class 7th. Subject science, topic global warming. Global warming is the increase in the average temperature of the atmosphere. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sadhna Rajput from class 7th. Topic hydrological internet. In this project you find solar panels get alternate energy to wind the windmill, and in this the beautiful nature, plants, the sun, river, all these are internet of our life. Thank you.
My name is Anushka. I am from class 6A. Today we are explaining on windmill. This is windmill. This produce electricity from wind. It produce 2.5 to 3 megawatts in a day. This used for pumping water in farmer in village. Thank you.
My name is Anipal and I am from 10th A. And today I am going to show you a project named electrolysis process. In this process, a hydrogen gas is evolving through this pipe which is flammable, and it is highly used by many people. But in India it is not used because it is very costly. So today I am going to say you about how hydrogen gas is produced. See, today I will take some equipments like electrodes and aluminium wire, copper wire, and this pipe which is you are using in hospital, and I am passing current through this adaptive brightness, because what this power do, it is converting the through 2 volt power 3 volt power, because when we will pass this electricity through direct wire, it will blast here because it wants sufficient power. It is a DC current. So I am passing through this AC current. It is an alternating current because here it is converting 5 volt to 3 volt 2 volts. When I am passing 12 volt current, it is like this. So the electrodes is melting. That's why I am using this. In this process, potassium hydroxide. This is a chemical name, potassium hydroxide. See, it is we are using. When I am putting in this, I am passing electricity through this. And electricity when goes to here, oxygen. See, oxygen gas is stabilizing here, and hydrogen is evolving. See, you can see hydrogen is going up. You can see this hydrogen is going up and passing through this bottle, and I have put in a pipe which is coming here, and now you can see it is a flammable. Because it is a highly flammable, and we can't oppress a pressure here. Thank you.
मेरा नाम कृतिका भड़के है, मैं क्लास 10 में से हूँ। ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है हमें ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन के बारे में बता रहा है। ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन यानी कि जो हमें हमारे अर्थ को जो है वो मून जो है अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है, क्योंकि जो मून है ना, मून के पास ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स कम है और अर्थ के पास ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स ज़्यादा है, और ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स जो है वो हमारे मून को खींच रहा है, अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है। और जो अगर ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स अगर नहीं रहा तो ऑर्बिट पे कोई भी प्लैनेट्स रहेगा नहीं। ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स ही है जो हमारे प्लैनेट्स को ऑर्बिट्स में बचा के रख रही है। थैंक यू।
Good morning, sir. My name is Navya Ahir from class 6C. I am here to present my SST project. Topic: role of the courts. There are 3 types of court. First is district court, second is high court, and the third one is Supreme Court. If a person is not satisfied with the judgment of district court, then he or she will go to the high court and further to the Supreme Court. Thank you.
My name is Aditi Prajapati from class 6B. Today I am explaining the Earth. This is latitude, it is imaginary line of the Earth, and this is longitude. It is remember us day and night. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Diya Thakkar from class 6B. Today I will tell you layers of atmosphere. There are 5 layers of atmosphere. First, stratosphere. Second, stratosphere. Third, mesosphere. Fourth, thermosphere. And last, exosphere. This is the continents of Earth. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Risha Patel. I am from class 6C. Block mountain are a part of land having flat top. The upper part is called horse and the lower part is called graben. Some example of block mountain are Black Forest Mountain in Germany. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nashi and I am from class 6A. Today I am going to present my SST project work. My topic is water cycling. Now, what is water cycling? Water cycling means when the water of the water bodies like rivers, oceans, glaciers, ponds, etc. when evaporates through the heat of the sun gets converted into clouds, and when the cloud didn't lift their weight, they start raining or hailstorms. Now, what is hailstorms? Hailstorms means snowballs. When the snowballs melts, the water they converts into water. Now, this process is called water cycling. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Jaini Patel from class 6A. Today I am going to present my SST project. Topic: polling booth. Now, what is voting?
Voting is a method in which all other citizens cast their vote through the principle. UAF is called Universal Adult Franchise. Now, what is UAF? Above the age of 18 are allowed to vote their caste. Thank you.
My name is Siddharth Yadav. I am from class 8C. This is the project of keeping the crop safe. If you have a small land, so you can build a structure like this of 3-4 floors on a land and make a glass fit on them so that sunlight will pass from the glass and reflect it. Then all plants will get sunlight, and if heavy rain occurs, we can set up like this so the cloth will protect the crops.
मेरा नाम सारा है, ठीक है, और ये जो मैं दिखाने जा रही हूँ वो एक टाइटेशन है, वो टाइटेशन है, ठीक है। इसके अंदर ये ब्यूरेट है, इसके अंदर सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड है जो कि एक बेस है, और इसमें HCl है जो कि डाइल्यूटेड है। अगर हम ये फिनोफ्थैलिन है, अगर ये एक इंडिकेटर है, अगर इसकी थोड़ी सी ड्रॉप्स इस पे डालेंगे तो इसमें कोई कलर चेंज नहीं हुआ, ठीक है। अगर हम ये सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इस पे डालेंगे तो धीरे धीरे पिंक में चेंज होगा। मतलब ये क्या इंडिकेट कर रहा है कि इसने ना एसिड को पूरी तरह से बेस पे बदल दिया, और जो OH साइंस थे वो बने और जो H+ साइंस है वो खत्म हो गए, और इस प्रोसेस को टाइट्रेशन बोलते हैं।
माय नेम इज आयुष फ्रॉम क्लास 10। तो ये जिंक है, जिंक को मैंने टेस्ट ट्यूब में डाला है। उसके बाद जब मैं इसमें ये हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड ऐड करूंगा तो ये हमें हाइड्रोजन फॉर्म या जो गैस फॉर्म हो रही है इसको हम हाइड्रोजन बोलते हैं, क्योंकि हाइड्रोजन निकलता है। क्योंकि हमने पढ़ा है जब एसिड और मेटल रिएक्ट करते हैं तो हाइड्रोजन गैस देते हैं और सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन देते हैं उसको। तो हाइड्रोजन गैस तो रिलीज हो गई जो हम देख रहे हैं, और फिर बाद में इसका जो टेम्परेचर वो भी धीरे धीरे बढ़ेगा, क्योंकि ये एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन। तो अभी जब पूरा ये घुल गया तो अभी जो बच्चा है ये सोल्यूशन, उसको ZnCl2 बोलते हैं, क्योंकि ये जिंक क्लोराइड है। जब ये सॉल्यूशन है, जब जैसा आपने बोला सोल्ट सॉल्यूशन बनेगा तो ये उसका सोल्ट सॉल्यूशन है। तो अगर मैं इसको थोड़े टाइम के लिए स्टोर करता हूँ तो उसके बाद इसका कलर भी चेंज होने लगेगा। ये जो कलर है ये येलोइश होने लगेगा। तो जब केमिकल रिएक्शन होता है तो इससे हम कंक्लूड कर सकते हैं। जब केमिकल रिएक्शन होता है तो इवोल्यूशन ऑफ गैस होता है, उसके बाद में राइज इन टेम्परेचर होता है, इसका चेंज इन कलर होता है। थैंक यू।
मेरा नाम है जय प्रजापति और मैं स्टैंडर्ड 7th B से हूँ। ये लेज़र अलार्म सिक्योरिटी, जिसमें अगर ये लेज़र चालू हो और ये LDR है, LDR पे पॉइंट छुएगा, LDR तक पॉइंट छुएगा और इसमें टच हुआ कहीं तो ये बीम बजना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। जब तक ये छुएगा नहीं तब तक ये बीम स्टार्ट नहीं होगा। ये बैटरी और ये ट्रांजिस्टर, रजिस्टर और ये बजर और ये लेज़र है, जिसे चारों साइड से हमें बना के हमारा सिक्योर रखते हैं। तो अंदर एंटर हुआ तो हमें वो मैसेज देना चाहता है कि 222 बजा बचने लगता है। थैंक यू।
हेलो दोस्तों, तो मेरा नाम है वैदत रहमान और मैं हूँ क्लास 7th B। तो आज का टॉपिक है हमारा किडनी वर्किंग मॉडल, जो कि ये पूरा वर्किंग मॉडल है, पूरा 3D है। जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, ये जो है ये हमारा फूड पाइप है, जिसे हम ओसोफेगस कहते हैं। और जब हम पानी पीते हैं तो ये हमारे यहाँ से होते होते ये हमारे किडनी में चला जाता है, फिर बाद में किडनी से होते होते ये ब्लैडर से, यूथेरा से वो चला जाता है यूरिन। थैंक यू।
My name is Kunal Changa and I am from class 10 and my project is digestive system. As you can see, जैसे कि आप इधर देख सकते हैं कि ये जो हम खाना खाते, ठीक है, वो माउथ से होके हुए ये एसोफेगस, इसोफेगस मतलब हम उसका फूड पाइप भी बोल सकते हैं। तो हम खाना खाते हैं वो फूड पाइप से नीचे आता है, ठीक है, फिर हमारे स्टमक में मतलब पेट में आ जाता है। फिर जो ये पैंक्रियास है, मतलब ये लीवर है, पेंक्रियास है और ये बाइल डक्ट है। मतलब उससे कुछ जैसे डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम निकलते हैं कि फूड ऐसे डाइजेस्ट हो सके, ठीक है। फिर वो स्टमक से होते हुए स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में जाते हैं। स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में वो डाइजेस्ट होते होते लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में आएंगे। लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में फिर होके फिर लास्ट में वो एनएस के थ्रू निकल जाएगा। हेलो सर, मेरा नाम है वृषभ अमित बलसोड़ और मैं क्लास 10th का एक स्टूडेंट हूँ। तो आज का मेरा प्रोजेक्ट है इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस, जिसके अंदर मैंने एक बैटरी ली है और एक लाइट को रेसिस्टर के साथ कनेक्ट किया है और ये एक सॉल्ट वाटर का हेलो, तो ये एक सॉल्ट वाटर का सोल्यूशन है। तो मैंने इसके अंदर एक बैटरी और रेसिस्टर कनेक्ट किया है। तो ऊपर की साइड पानी कम है, इसके वजह से बैटरी में लाइट कम जा रही है और जब नीचे पानी में सॉल्ट ज्यादा है तब अच्छे से ग्लो हो रहा है। मतलब कि नॉर्मल पानी में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं होती है मूव, और जब सॉल्ट वाला पानी होता है तब उसके अंदर अच्छे से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मूव होते हैं। इस एक्सपेरिमेंट से ये पता चलता है कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सॉल्ट वाटर में ज़्यादा अच्छे से मूव होती है और नॉर्मल पानी से ज़्यादा अच्छे से कंडक्ट करती है। नॉर्मल पानी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को मूव नहीं करा सकता क्योंकि वो एक बैड कंडक्टर है और सॉल्ट वाटर एक गुड कंडक्टर। थैंक यू।
ये एक होलोग्राम है, इसके अंदर यहाँ से इसके अंदर ये फोन है, फोन से इसमें चल रहा है। यहाँ से टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन के थ्रू इधर आ रहा है, देखिए बन रहा है। तो ये देखिए यहाँ से हाथ पे भी आ सकता वर्चुअल। और ये ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर, ये देखिए इसके अंदर, इसमें रियल इमेज नहीं है, इसके अंदर वर्चुअल इमेज है। तो क्या है, तो मिरर पे बन रहा है लेकिन वो मिरर से पीछे बन रहा है। ये फिजिक्स का फिनोमेना है, टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन। तो ये पीछे बन रहा है।
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Alia Mahadar and I am studying in class 8C. Today my project name is terrace farming. So you can see here, this is the river, this is types of soil and types of plants, this all are tried, and these are the mountains. Terrace farming means something that is located at the river and crops are grown here. There are various in terrace farming. There are various types of soil and various types of crops are grown, and this is mainly happen near the mountains and beside the rivers. So this is my explanation about terrace farming. Thank you.
Good afternoon sir, my name is Anjali Koshra, I am from 8C. This is water harvesting. In it the water will fall here and it will store here and it will purify there and it will go through this garden and it will used. Thank you.
My name is Paudashriya, I am from class 8C. This is terrace farming. In this type of farming, lands different types of soil is used in and this is done on hilly areas. In this type of farming, different type of soils is there and different type of crops is grown in this type of mount, and this is mainly grown in hills and mountains. Thank you.
My name is Parth and I will explain our project of science. Let's start. See this is magnetic force. Same poles are there, so it is repulsion, and opposite poles so attraction, and this is gravitational force. I will car up down but is coming slowly, but I will pull down is go very fast. Is called gravitational force. Gravity pull down and down. This is our muscular force. Muscles pull the bucket in up down. Thank you.
Good morning sir, my name is Heet Thakkar from class 5th C. Today I am going to present how two lungs work in our human body.
Good morning sir, my name is Atiti Shah. I am from class 4th C. Today I have explained lungs. Hello my dear parents and my dear friends. My name is Oma Thakkar. Today I am going to explain this cardboard robotic hand. This cardboard robotic hand is for the person who has damage in their hand so they can wear this to lift something like a bottle, glass, etc. And this cardboard hand is for the person who has damage in their fingers, so they can wear this to move their fingers very well. Thank you.
Hello my dear parent, my name is Lakshay Sutar and my friend name is Purva Thakur. Structure of teeth. Our mouth has 8 incisors, 4 canine, 8 premolars, 12 molars. By the age of 2 years, children have a set of 20 teeth. There are 32 teeth in an adult mouth. The permanent teeth are the second set of teeth.
हमारे माउथ में 8 इंसाइजर्स होते हैं, 4 कैनाइन होते हैं, 8 प्रीमोलर्स होते हैं, 12 मोलर्स होते हैं. By the age of 2 years, children have a set of 20 teeth. जो 2 साल के बच्चे होते हैं, उनके माउथ में 20 teeth का सेट होता है. There are 32 teeth in an adult mouth. जो हमारे पेरेंट्स होते हैं, उनके माउथ में 32 teeth होते हैं.
My name is निशी चौधरी. मैं 3rd A में पढ़ती हूँ. मैंने ये तराजू बनाया है. इसको पुराने जमाने में यूज किया जाता था. अब नई मशीन आ चुकी है, तो अभी भी छोटे छोटे दुकानों में इसको यूज किया जाता है. थैंक यू. मेरा नाम रिया है. मैं क्लास 3rd में पढ़ती हूँ. ये है फ्रैक्शन. ये अलग अलग पार्ट्स में बंटते हैं. ये है बॉल, सर्कल, और ये है 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स. ये है 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स. ये है 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स, और ये 5 इक्वल पार्ट्स, एंड this is 6 equal parts. Thank you.